One of the biggest things for me, I stopped really going to the dentist in my mid-30s. Just started to experience some pain due to the fact that I had a pretty severe case of gum disease and just didn't want to accept it. And into my 40s, I think I lost my first tooth, and gradually over the period of time, in the last 20 or so years, I'm 61 right now, my lower teeth started to fail. I started losing teeth, and it was probably about 9 months ago when the last tooth before I started the procedure came out, and it was right in the front of my mouth, right in the center of my mouth. And you know, even though I could see myself and checking myself when I would smile, if that could be seen and was very obvious, and fortunately for me, the way I smile, you don't see a lot of my lower teeth, and not because I was trying to hide anything, but just that was just how my smile is. Knowing that I was going to lose all my teeth ultimately, I did decide finally to go ahead and have the entire lower portion of my mouth restored with a whole set of teeth for the lower portion of my mouth. My teeth are secured by screws in 6 implants. That cannot be removed by me. The only person that would remove them would be the dentist here, and if that's necessary. The process is I'm going to have a permanent set done, but these will stay in until that permanent set is ready. But that's the biggest thing, just the confidence of you know, having had it done, and it looks great and it feels good, and it's like they're my teeth, you know, and they are. I mean, you know, there's no problems at all, and I feel very confident and comfortable with them.